Hi guys, it's Madison from Dead Tooth Art, and I am here today showing you guys my new table that I painted, sanded, and thrifted myself. I went to Ace Hardware, Michael's, and Home Depot to get the paint that I needed. I didn't get anything very expensive, I just got what was affordable. I started off with a base of my background color, which was a mixture of the wall paint and acrylic paint. I then used colored pencil to outline what I wanted to draw. I filled in all the shapes and then free-handed some clouds. I also taped off the bottom of the table with painter's tape, which was also fairly cheap. I got the blue and green sides. I ended up finishing my table with polyurethane, which I got from Ace Hardware, and it leaves it with an amber glow. The polyurethane was applied 3 times to the table and then set to finish for a 7-day cure time. The polyurethane adds an extra protective coat and makes it long-lasting. My dad had recommended the polyurethane to me. He also enjoys woodworking. I went to Home Depot and got this little knob for the front of the drawer for $5. I think it fits the piece very well and looks very cute and adds a very nice extra detail. I really enjoyed working on this piece and I loved how it turned out. Thank you guys for watching so much. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!